In this video, we are going to see how we can add an Instagram link to the Facebook account. So let's say that you want your viewers to also join you on Instagram by searching for details about you, especially if you are a public celebrity or any kind of influencer or a teacher which has a couple of followers. You must have that other social links as well. So that will be very helpful to quickly grow your subscribers. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, let's head over to the profile and click on the About section. And from here, we click on the Contact Info. Under here, you can see a lot of social media links, but to add more, you can click on this pencil icon. This is a little edit sign, and all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to this button which says Add a Social Link. We quickly add an Instagram link. So whatever is the official link, you can copy and paste that, and you choose Instagram from here. We also do have a lot of other social links. Click on Save, and it will be displayed just like so. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.